How are you? I hope you are well at home. So students, this is third class, subject is computer, and today's topic is advantages and disadvantages of internet. Students, in the last video we have discussed about the internet and its uses, and today we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of internet. So students, you have already learned about how it is useful, means how the internet is useful in our life. Okay, so it is very fast, inexpensive, global. These are some points of advantages of internet. So let us start discuss about these points one by one. So first is fast. How the internet is fast? Internet is the fastest way of getting information. Means we can get information from the internet. We can take information unknown places. Many other things like your subject, you can get the information from your subject related. Okay, and communication with other people. With the other people living far away from us, we can make phone calls them and we can chatting with them with the help of internet. So that is why the internet is the fastest way of communication and getting information. And the second point is inexpensive. Inexpensive means it in low price. It is available in low price. You can get access to the internet at a very low price. Means in the market there are available many low packages of the internet. You can get from the market of these packages, and you can access the internet on your mobile phone and your computer system. Okay, so and the third point is global. Global means it spread in the whole world. You can connect to any part of the global using internet. Spread in the whole world and connect all the peoples of all the world. But disadvantages of internet. Do you know students, using the internet can be very harmful for us. So some disadvantages of internet. So first is unhealthy. Unhealthy. Using the internet makes us unhealthy. How? Some children spend their time, most of the time, on the internet. They cannot play the game and they cannot do anything. And the second point is dangerous. How? It is just for students or children's health. The internet can be a real place. Your personal information such as your account number, your account information, your bank detail, etc. hacked by the hacker through the internet. And your password, your mobile detail, your address, also can be hacked through the internet. And your password, your mobile detail, your address, secure address. Also can be hacked through the internet. So student, we have discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of internet in this class, and in the next class we will discuss about the related terms of internet. Thank you.